Today we are going to unbox this. This one is the Apple iPhone 7 with a high capacity battery. It is 2300 milliamp. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this Lotus company. I purchased with my own money. So anyway, I got a customer saying that their battery health is only 65%, which is pretty low. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys what we have here. So yeah, I purchased this before for iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, and some other iPhone 6. So be sure you check on the right model and purchase the correct one. It will last longer, charge faster, make charging easier, and then boost performance for your device. And this is made in China. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with double-sided tape. And then here is the battery. By the way, this company offers 2 years warranty. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.